Hey y'all, it's Des and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And today, what are we doing? We're going to Nanny. Okay, so anyway, jam session is over. Nah, that's my song. That's me and Bo's song. Say hey, Bo. Say hey, y'all. So we are going to Nanny today, and it's going to be a fun day. It's supposed to be like 90 degrees today, so I'm going to take the kids to the splash pad. Maybe, hopefully. Jael is at school. It's her last 2 days of school. My baby has got one more day of school, and she's doing something really exciting this summer. She actually got accepted to the scholars program, and I'm like kind of bummed out because she wanted to get in the program. She got in the program, and she's not even going to be able to go because she's doing something really exciting for the summer. But nonetheless, I'll be having Bunny with me. I'll be nannying this summer, like all summer. I have like 3 families I'm working with. And I'm going to be working my store. And I'm going to be working on something else that's really, really big. And just a plethora of other things that I'm really, really excited about that I'll just be working on. And my husband and I are also working on something that is really bomb, and I'm really excited about as well. That's gonna, you know, just help our family. So yeah, just a busy summer on the way. I am stuck in traffic, y'all. Look at this. Like, don't stop moving to Atlanta, y'all. Stop moving here. It was already crowded when I moved out here, no lie, like 11 years ago. But now it's like crazy, ridiculously crowded, and it's annoying because like some of the routes you have to take is really nowhere around it. Like, you gonna get stuck in traffic, which is annoying. But yeah, so we'll see you guys when we get to the house. We are like 7 minutes. We're supposed to be there in like 7 minutes, but we're really like 10 minutes away without traffic. So we're probably like 15 minutes with traffic. So yeah, here we go. Say bye, boss. Tell me to see you in a minute. Look at my baby. She getting so big, y'all. Blow him a kiss. All right, y'all. Another house, I fix your shoe. They really were quick. They really were quite smelly. I'll eat your nuts as you left as bait and leave a jelly a full belly. No, ma'am. No, no, ma'am. We're reading a story. I know you want my pot of gold. That iron cage was clever, but I've been alive 200 years. You won't catch me ever. Jelly, are you listening to the story? All right, y'all. So we're headed over to the park, and the splash pad is actually on today, which is exciting because the kids get wet. But right now, since it's so early, I'm gonna let them play first, and then we're gonna go back, do lunch, and then yeah, baby. Okay, we're gonna get down, and then we're gonna come back and do the splash pad before it's time for them to take their nap and stuff. So I think that'll be a good little plan for the day. But let me show y'all what the park is looking like. Super cute. So yeah, I'm about to give these kids my full attention because I have 3 of them and no help with Ja today. So I'm gonna get off of here so I can wash them thoroughly and come back probably when we head over to the splash pad. Bunny's driving. Good job. Say beep beep. Beep beep. You got 5? Beep beep. Oh, you driving too, Evie? Evie's driving too. You peeling it? Good job. Put it all the way down, like this. All the way down. 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 Good job. Do the other side. Thank you. Good job, baby. You want to share some of your banana with Evie? Thank you. I guess not. Take small bites. There you go. honey. Go ahead. Okay, y'all, so the kids out here having a ball. These two was acting like some babies. I mean, they are babies, but they didn't want to get in the water. But the big boy, he out here having a ball. He didn't join in with these campers like he just know them. And they having fun. Evie, Jale, get off of her. Hold on, y'all. This my child is a bully. You a bully. You a bully? The water. You like the water? You want to show them the water? Water. She want to show y'all the water. There go the water. Ow. They splashing me and stuff. Look, they got water guns. They got water balloons. They got everything out here. And these two act like some lames. You act like a lame, Bo? If Jael was here, I'm sure she would be out there, but it's just so many kids. Like, they both, I think, overwhelmed. But the other little boy is like 4, I think, or 3, so he good. He living his best life. But the day is almost over. We had lunch. We came back over here. I probably got another 20 minutes before we walk back, and then it'll be time for me to go pick up Jael from school. I'm gonna stop at the popcorn shop. Oh, and see my friend Sunday. And get some popcorn, and then, yeah, I may take y'all with me, but we'll see. Tell them bye, bud. Say we gonna see y'all in a minute. Bye-bye. Blow them kisses. She be like, bye-bye. All right, she said bye. Uh-oh, okay, y'all. Still, I wonder if they'll wake up soon. Hot little bunnies, hot, hot, hot. Hot little bunnies, hot, hot, hot. Hot little bunnies, hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Freeze, freeze. All right, y'all, we pulled up to get my popcorn. I get it. Don't play with that girl. It's so good. I always get the I forget the name of it. Let me ask her what the name of the one is. You on the vlog? Say hey to the vlog. Look at all this yumminess coming out here. Hey. Wait, what's the one I be getting?
White cheddar jalapeno.
White cheddar jalapeno. Thank you. Okay, guys, so I made it to the second house. It is currently like 6:30 maybe, or something like that. I think I'm here until like 8:30, 9 o'clock. Maybe 10. I mean, not 10. 8:30, 9:30. Between that time frame, I should be leaving. But they're just out here playing with the basketball. There's Bunny. Jai's upstairs playing games. Y'all, I took a nap. Well, I took a good nap. And so that's why I look so... Well, I was already looking crazy, but I look even more crazy because I didn't redo my hair when I woke back up. But it's okay because I'm getting my hair braided on Sunday. Today is... What's today? Today is Thursday. So, y'all only got a few more days of this, which I'm super, super tired of. But, yeah, we just out here. They got the little basketball court. Letting them play basketball. Letting them roll the ball back and forth. Go over to the back so we can roll the ball if you want to roll the ball. Okay, go back to the end. Go to the end, all the way down there so y'all can roll it to me. But yeah, it was some good lighting out here. This is like a good spot for some pictures. Right in front of here. Ain't that cute? I might have to take some. Well, y'all go over here. Go down there and roll it so I can get it to y'all. Give it back to y'all. Go all the way back. There you go. Go all the way back. All the way back, all the way back, all the way back, all the way back, all the way back. All right, y'all. I don't think we're doing nothing too extravagant. I got them a casserole in the oven that their mom had already made. Just had to warm that up. And go back down so you can roll it to me, Hazy. Go back down. So I just have to warm that up. They're going to eat. Then after they eat for real, they play for like 30 more minutes. And then it be time for them to get ready for bed, all the little ones. And then the older ones, I just be letting them do their thing. But, you know, the night is pretty much over after 7:30, 8 o'clock. Because most of them be in bed. Then I just, you know, sit here until their mom get back. Roll it. So, yep. Oh, they got a little setup spot. Hey. Hey. Y'all can't even see me like that. Hold on, let me see. It ain't gonna set up right. Okay. Oh, it set up good. Ooh. I look big on this picture. Your girl been running. running track with Jael, so I've been losing a few pounds, and I'm not even sucking my stomach in. Y'all see a little bit, but I've been losing this. Let's be sucking it in. Let's be not sucking it in. It ain't looking bad. Hey, roll it. Roll it to me. Go back and roll it. Alright, y'all. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And thank you so much for rocking with me. Until next time.